Hi, I'm Jacob.
I'm Jessica.
So welcome to week 3 of our level 3 training workout. So it's a follow-up from the last week, same 6 exercises, but we'll be changing a few of the exercises. Okay, you'll be performing 4 rounds in total. Repetitions will be ranging between 15 to 30. Alright, are you guys ready? Are you ready? No, yes, no. Okay, let's get started. So for the first exercise, you'll need the mat. Again, you'll be performing the exercise to strengthen your abdominal muscles. We call these leg raises 3 ways. So what I mean by 3 ways, okay, you are going to roll your leg to your left, to your right, that's 2, and then sweep. That's the third one. To your right, okay, push up. So should be again going down to the left, to the right, okay, before she raises up from the hip. That's 3, total of 10 repetitions. To the right, and do a raise. So notice at the same time that her arms are by her side, and when she's going to her left and right, she's only rotating from her hips. She's keeping her upper body firm on the ground. So you shouldn't be moving from your torso, just from your hips. Okay, 4 more to go, that's 6. Okay, up, to your left, to your right, and do a skip raise. To the left, again nice and slow, making sure that your abs is tight throughout. 2 more to go, you're almost there. You can see that she's working very hard. Okay, last one. To the left, 1, to the right, and that's it. Okay, well done. So you do it right, you should feel that your core is working. Okay, for the next exercise, strengthening your lower body, you'll be performing alternating lunges with a squat and then jumping up. So lunge, squat and jump. For a total of 15 repetitions. Very good. So by now you should be quite manageable for you guys. Total of 15 times. 2 more to go. Last one. Okay, alright. Feet to leg back. Exercise. You need a mat for this. Okay, you're doing the same prone roll. Okay, so 3 ways. Alphabet T, Y, and W. So these are the 3 ways. 10 repetitions each. So we start with T. 1. Making sure that you're not touching the ground with your hands for the entire time.
8, 9, 10.
Switch to a Y. 10 repetitions.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Okay,
10.
last with the W. Palms facing down.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Again, making
5.
sure that you do not rest your hands on the ground.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. So for the next exercise, you need a chair. Right? You'll be performing a split squat. That means it's a lunge, basically a lunges, but with one leg resting on the chair and perform the lunge. So notice that she's not going all the way up. 20 repetitions on each side. making sure that you keep most of your body weight on your front leg, which is the working leg. Okay, while you sit over. So again, she's working on the front leg, that means you shouldn't be pushing from your left leg. Again, a total of 20 repetitions. So focusing on your front thigh and your buttocks. Okay, well done. Okay, for fifth exercise, we'll be performing push-ups 3 ways. Okay, what are the 3 ways? Wide, wide, normal, and then narrow. So let's start with the wide. So how wide you should be going? Roughly about 1.5 of your shoulder width. 10 repetitions on each variation. So total of 30. 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Normal stance.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Last one, narrow. Elbows, tuck the elbows in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, for the last exercise, burpees. Okay, we're performing burpees. Deeper on a single leg. Okay, that's the difference. So instead of both legs, you'll be performing on one, just on one side. So this involves a lot of balancing, and obviously your leg will be working a lot harder. Just a total of 10 on each leg. 3 more to go. 8. Keep the time nice and slow. Okay, just one more. Okay, very good. Switch over to your left now. Okay, so again, on one leg. Doing your move there.
3,
4, 5,
7,
3 more to go. 8, 1, 9, last one. Okay, so by the end of this exercise, you should be feeling your legs, especially your glutes, will be burning very hard. Alright, so that's the end of the workout. Good job. How are you?
3 more sets to go.
Yeah, easy for her. Anyway, so that's the end of the workout. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, give it a try, let me know. Take care, see you next week.
Bye bye.